Hi friends, today I will show you how to repair the touch screen issue on your Nexus 7 2013 model. So in my Nexus 7 the actual problem was with the USB port. So what was happening was uh, when I used to connect my charging adapter, it was not charging. So when I opened the tablet, I found that the pins of the USB port, there was dry solder. So the last pin of this USB port has basically, it has 5 pins. As you can see here, so this will have 5 pins inside. So the last pin, which I believe is a positive supply, was having a dry solder and it was not making a proper contact with the circuit board. So when I opened it and I pressed on those pins and connected the USB cable, it started charging. So what I tried to do is I tried to solder the pin, but I made a mistake. I forgot to disconnect the battery, and when I tried to solder the pin, even the soldering iron, there is a minor leakage current. So since the battery was connected and there was a slight leakage current on the tip of my soldering iron, it damaged the touch IC on the board. So eventually I was successfully able to solder the pin, and it solved my problem of charging. And I can connect the charger and it charged. I connect the USB, the OTG cable, and connected my mouse, and the mouse even worked. But the only thing, the touch stopped working. So I ordered a new board. Okay, I ordered this new board from China, and you can see the price. Okay, it shows $10 over here, but it costed me somewhere around $26.5, and then I got discounts. So roughly it will cost you between $1,600 to $1,800. Okay, and it comes with the charging USB charging board or the daughter board, as well as the flexible cable. So yeah, we'll open this tablet and see if it solves the problem. By the way, the tablet opens from here. You just have to push it on this side, all the sides, and it will just pop out. Basically it's connected on plastic clips, so it's not that difficult to open. Yeah, so yeah, let us open and see what's inside. Okay friends, so I've opened the back cover. This is the back cover. I opened it and there are no cracks. Okay, and this is the daughter board. Okay, and if you see here, try to focus. I guess you can see now. These I'll just bring it down so you can point. You can see here, these are the pins which I solder, and one of the pins, this last pin, was actually having a dry solder. So when I used to press it over here and connect the USB charging cable, it used to charge. But unfortunately I forgot to remove this cable. This is the battery cable. Disconnect this. I forgot to do that, and even my soldering tip had some leakage current. So when I was soldering it, the current went, and it went inside the IC, which is just below this sticker or the shield, heatsink, and it damaged it. So now I'm able to charge. I'm even able to use USB OTG cable. I can connect pen drive, I can connect mouse, everything works. The only thing, the touch doesn't work. So let's open and see what's inside this box. Okay friend, we'll unbox this thing and see what's inside this box, what we find. So yeah, so guys, I see there is an issue. You have seen online, like many people say, even after changing the board, the touch doesn't work. And the issue is, the revision is 1.4. Some boards have 1.3, but that's not the main issue. Even some boards have 1.4, 1.3. The main issue is the part number. You should see the part number. As you can see over here, my part number, the last digit over here is J31. Okay, so you should match that thing with your board. And actually I had done it. My part number was M41, but they have sent me J31. And if you see, this number SU1, and it's in bracket 020, but on my board it is SU1020 as without the brackets, and then there is -140. So these two things, J31 and those things, should exactly match what your board is, otherwise it should not work. And I can right away see over here they have sent me a wrong part. I asked them for M41, which I will show you on my board, and even they confirm it was M41. They sent me photographs and they told me that it is what they will send exactly, but they sent me J31. So I doubt this board will work with my Nexus 7, but let's see what's the result. So guys, you can see over here, see, my board is M41 SU1020140, and what they have sent me is, you can see side by side, they have sent me J31. My board is M41, and the part number over here, last digit SU020 is in bracket, whereas in my board, and just focus it, in my board 020 is not in bracket. Additionally, there is -140. You can see here, right? SU1020140 M41, and they have sent me SU1 bracket 020, and it's J31. So it's a different part. I believe backside of my board is same as 1.4 written over here. So even backside of this board is having 1.4. I will just open and show you all. So to open it, you will have to unscrew this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9 screws, and this board will come out. And then you will have to just focus over here. Then you have to open this clip and pull this cable out, and open this 2 clips and pull this cable down, and the motherboard, the daughter board will come out. So I will just unscrew them and I will show you how it looks outside. So friends, this is the back side of my board, and you can see the revision is same 1.4, and this is the new board which I have received, and the revision is also same 1.4. But I hope you can see it, both boards together. See, it's exactly the same. But if you turn around and see, now here you can see rest everything looks same, but the revision on this board, I'll just turn it this way so you all can have a proper look. The revision number on my board was M41 and SU102-140, but here it is SU1020 bracket without that 140, and here they have mentioned J31. You can see here it is J31, whereas on my board it was M41. So now let's put this board inside and see whether it works or not. Okay friends, so I've connected a new board inside. I've just connected 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3, and you can see the new board number is J31. You can see here J31, which I received from AliExpress, and my old board is here, which was M31. Okay, I've removed it, and you can see my old board, the soldering work which I've done. Then the soldering work. Okay, so now let's see if this new board works after powering up. I disconnected the battery, you can see. So now I'll connect it back and see if this thing works. Okay, it's powering up. Okay, display is working. Anyhow, we had not removed any display ports, so that should have worked. Anyhow, we just have to see if the touch is working or not after changing the board. The boot is taking a slight time because it was switched off. Now it's almost ready. Okay, we have come on the main screen. It's showing the time 10:02 p.m. and it was Thursday. Let's turn it on back. Tuesday, the May 14th. And yep, the touch is working. Yay! The touch is working. So guys, I guess even if this number is wrong, M41, that doesn't matter much. I guess only this revision 1.4 is the one what matters. So yeah, the touch is working fine. I have installed one software. Let's see if it shows the touch. Multi-touch. It's taking 5 touch. You can see the touch is working fine. There is no touch issues at all. The touch is working fine. That's it, friends. So everything is working fine, and this tab is again operational. Thank you. So yeah, hope this solves the problem. If you have the same problem, you can just order this board from AliExpress. It will cost you around $25-26. Indian rupees, it will be around 1500 to 1800 rupees. And try as much as possible to match this number, M41. Okay, try as much as match this number and the revision number. In my case, this number is not matching. This number, focus. Yeah, this number is not matching exactly, but the revision number match, and it works perfectly. So I will show you how it charges. Friends, one more thing I noticed is the indicator light is working again. It will come in some time. You see here the white light? It will come here. Here it goes. So when that is working, I will turn on the power and see if it's charging. It's not showing any charging indication. I don't know why. Yeah, it shows. You see there is a power charging indicator. See here it shows the charging indicator. If I switch off, it will go. Yeah, it's gone. If I turn it on, it will come back. Yeah, so it's even charging. So yeah, everything is working, and this repair is successful. Hope this video helps to somebody who is facing the same problem. And yeah, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.